Okay, good morning, everybody, and welcome to a new daily outlook. And today I'm gonna go with you through a chart. It is actually the day of NFP today, and we're still positioned in this GBP Swiss franc. Honestly, the swap fee already again, because on the Wednesday it's a triple fee. It got a bit pricey. Anyway, I expect to have some moves today. As we take a look on the daily, I think price is really ready to go more lower. Our supply zone is still in play from here. So we took out all this liquidity above the high here, and actually we were meant to go in as an and not really as a swing trade, but one account is, and one is my funding account, and we're just gonna see what is going to happen. Yeah, really expecting those low here to taken out, um, because the momentum is still down, and I'm really expecting that the Swiss franc will pump, and then apparently the British pound will just dump. That's my expectation for now. I stayed in last night once again. It has been like a very messy trade till now, but there is getting some more structure, and we will see what is going to happen. At least we have something like a reaction, even though it could be manipulation because it's around 9 o'clock, or we could have our drop still. Anyway, we will go towards next trade I saw yesterday, and which we entered just on a normal swing account. I just wanted to enter this one. Of course, there is NFP today. Just keep it in mind. We took a very big stop loss actually, so I just want to go in without any expectations, and we'll see what is going to happen to this trade. And honestly, I just want to have a bit more peace, so we will go back a bit more towards the 4 hour. I don't really know how we will do that with my funding account in future, but because it's an Alpha Pro and the rest of all my other challenges are always swing, I accidentally or on purposely actually I bought a Alpha Pro account, so it's not for weekend holds. But anyway, we can always anticipate if there's something happening internally, and eh, when the swing trades are playing out, to also to follow it with the trend and have like a tighter entry where we can have our TP in just a couple of hours or days. Um, so yeah, for me, we also have to stay a bit quiet until the yeah, how you call it, NFP happen. Yeah, yesterday I positioned myself a little bit wrong on USDGPY. I didn't expect it to go more higher, and the trade which you just saw was also one of my plans. Um, yeah, apparently I had to wait more, so we got a stop loss. We'll document everything later. And yeah, for now we just in Swiss franc, and that's fine also. Um, but we will keep an eye because also the long scenario for later on could be very nice. So that's something we're also waiting on. So maybe for later today after NFP, when this low breaks once again, we are going to take a look in this new created supply area and to target at least here or just 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. And all I'm learning last couple of weeks, I've been overtrading a bit. I had some losing streaks once again, too many, but the funding account is still in profit. And if GBP Swiss franc, and honestly, I have, I mean, I trust this trade. For me, it's a good one. And it's only, the patience, what is really telling us to, there's nothing happening. So It's all about patience in trading. And yeah, we are still in a gold trade. Let's just dive deeper. I think I got perfectly filled anyway. This one is really gonna test patience, but it is what it is. Just let's dive deeper a little bit into gold because we are expecting massive price action today as NFP is going to happen. We have a very nice support area over here. That's where we get filled in this demand zone. So right now we're just waiting for more continuation up. Of course, we have our reaction here because we have this area of resistance, or however you want to call it. So for me, that is simply price action. And for now, yeah, we actually have to wait until we set our low. We did. Then we set our high. And this is just a bit of noise. So maybe this right here could be our lower low. We also don't have equal lows over here. So maybe the liquidity is already taken out here. So we don't have to go all the way underneath this low once again. And we just want to look for a higher high right now. And the thing I don't really like at this moment is this. We created something like an area of supply over here. And this supply zone is still in play. And as we can see on the 1 hour. And of course, yeah, this maybe you could say that the area here could be like something like a demand zone. And we are just waiting for some price action in this region because always struggling here. The mouse, I really need to fix a new mouse though. Life of a trader who's just starting to get profitable a little bit. So, honestly, it's a lot of noise over here, but this could be our last demand zone. I'm not really sure what's going to happen with NFP, but I'm always expecting gold to rising, so I'm an instant long buyer on gold. So if we want to position once more, we should position ourselves in this long, and the upside is bigger than the downside, maybe, even though we are a little bit in the mid-range, honestly. But we already had our drop, so we can also target this high, prevent this low, and yes, this could be a plan, even though the stop loss is it's a little bit big, but that should be okay. I don't really know what is going to happen with this, but this could be something I want to play. And honestly, we just going a bit more in towards bigger swings. And um, yeah, so we also have liquidity above here, this area. I think we are, because we already took the liquidity on the bottom side. We took it out already, and right now we're just waiting for another push up. So maybe we push down a little bit more far here with NFP, so maybe entries can get hit, or yeah. And what also could happen is, of course, massive spikes. I don't really know when was the last NFP. I don't really know how to find that. It's usually at the first week of each month, so we can take a look back at February, February, beginning of February on the Friday. I think it was around. It's already Monday here. Thursday. Well, we have at least some bigger moves here. We set our low. 7. I also don't really know which timestamps we are using over here. It was not that big, apparently. Maybe. Um, there were big moves over here. So yeah, it is what it is, and we're just waiting for new opportunities, and we will see what's going to happen. One last check at our trade GBP Swiss franc, and of course there was a little bit of manipulation, and which now we see just somehow a reaction after 9, and maybe the real move still have to start. I hope before NFP we can break this low here and just trade a little bit more down, so I can already get out of the trade with a little bit of profit, because I don't want to be in it with the news, honestly, and also the big geopolitical situations in the world. So yeah, let's see what about go happen. I will do my workout. um, I don't want to monitor my trades too much. I have done that too much in the past. um, Yeah, USD cut, by the way, I didn't discuss that one because we hit the TP, and once again on one of our other trades we hit our stop losses, but we also hit our TP yesterday here because we also targeting this low on our um, we call it funding account. So yeah, still waiting for the same play. Honestly, we were a bit too early, like most of our trades. That's unfortunate, but it is what it is. It's a very big range. Price was a bit annoying, but I'm still expecting that massive price action anyway. Maybe we just wait until after NFP before we can hit the real play and get our stop loss even better than we can get position now. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and stay patient, and yeah, stay disciplined and keep showing up. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.